Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Capricorn, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, Capricorn. So these are for your general energies, this is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys, Capricorn. And I'll be picking one card from the oracle guidance, guys. So this is the card for y'all. So we will see what it is as we proceed into the reading, guys, Capricorn. So we will start with the cards for your general energies, guys. We have Justice, Ace of Wands, and Knight of Pentacles in reverse. So in your situation, guys, Capricorn, it may be in your work situation or in your relationship today, guys. Maybe today you are feeling tired or some kind of laziness. You don't want to do anything or you don't feel like do anything, guys. Maybe you feel stuck. You don't know what is the right way to think or decide today. So something is bothering you today. Something may be holding you back, holding back your potential or the way you do your work or the way you go about your life in this relationship, maybe. So you feel stuck, maybe worried about some things today. And the reason for your situation, guys, maybe you are simply tired. You don't know how to handle your circumstances, maybe in your work situation. You just want to take rest or take a break from this situation today, guys. And you are someone who works hard and you have a lot of opportunities in your work situation. You are working hard, you have made a lot of efforts, but whatever efforts you are making, guys, things are not going as expected. So some kind of obstacles or troubles you are seeing. So that is the reason for your attitude. You feel stuck and you feel that you have wasted your time and energy again and again trying to do certain things, but the results you are seeing are something not up to expectations. So worried because of that. But you are someone who is really honest and truthful, devoted, responsible. So you want to do things in the right way today, guys. And you respect people and you value their suggestions. Maybe that is the reason you are still holding on. Maybe you are seeing a lot of troubles in your life today, but you are having that positive attitude because you may have people supporting you or guiding you today even in this difficult situation, guys. So you are trying your best, holding on, waiting patiently for things to fall into place or change. So it may be a situation in your relationship or it may be a situation in your career situation, guys. So you are just waiting patiently to things to turn around, guys. So let's see what are the cards specific to your relationship first. So we have Seven of Swords. So with this card, it just means that this person you are in connection with, maybe they are not concerned about you or they are not having truthful concern about you, guys, and they are here just to make use of you in some ways. Maybe they are not committed to you or committed to this relationship, or they don't feel attached to you and they don't have that true concern. Maybe they are quite selfish, guys. So you need to be careful if that is the case you see in your relationship, Capricorn. You have to be really careful with this person. Maybe they are here just to have fun, but not for that meaningful relationship with you. And also, they are constantly what to say, irritating you, maybe trying to create problems, and they are arguing or fighting with you for even small reasons. So maybe it just shows that this person may not be interested in you and they do not love you, guys, Capricorn. So let's see what is the card for your career situation, guys. It's Queen of Wands. So this card just means that you are really devoted to your work, responsible, and you're working hard, and also you are seeing positive changes in your situation, guys, Capricorn. So things are going in a very positive way, and you may be getting good opportunities with lucrative returns in your career situation, guys, Capricorn. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. So let's see what is the oracle guidance for you all. So we picked one card, White Snake, Understanding. So with this card, guys, just now we were speaking about this person, this love. Maybe they are selfish and they are trying to distance themselves from you. They are not really connected with you, and you may not feel that warmth or that love with this person. So this card speaks about that, guys. Maybe if you are in a connection with such a person, you need to do what you are doing right now, guys. Maybe whatever good things that you do for this love or this person is going to be rewarded very soon, and your groundwork, whatever you have done, maybe the way you shower your love, attention, respect, or caring for this person is going to make them understand you, and they are going to realize your worth, and the love you show them and the goodness you show this person is simply going to melt their heart, and they are going to come running towards you, guys. And all that goodness you show, good deeds you do, or good things you do for others, it's never going to go for a waste. And also, guys, with this card, I also see that you are someone who heals people who are really hurt or who are feeling let down or negative. So you are a natural healer. So people feel really good when they are with you. You soothe them emotionally and you speak to them in such a way that this person feels positively energized after you are with them, guys, after speaking with you or being with you for some time. So you are able to change people's lives, Capricorn. So you just need a little more time. You just have to hold on for a little longer, and this person is going to see you what you truly are and what is your true worth, guys, Capricorn. Such a beautiful card here for you all, guys, today. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.